tell me, like, just because I don't want to forget to go into this thing, can you share, like, with all our listeners or people listening, like, how they find you, like, how to find you, social media wise, you know, website wise, and for our people who are listening who are incarcerated, website wise, I mean, not website, email address.
Got you. Yeah, man. So shout out to my people that's behind bars, man. Just know that God is with you. Don't allow you being behind bars to make you feel like it's over. It's not over. It's just the beginning. I don't care if you're on death row. I don't care if you're about to get out in 10 years. Fight the good fight.
So good.
Fight the good fight. Do not stop, man. I'm telling you, man, there's people out here who need you. Your kids need you. Your mom needs you. Your spouse needs you. You're not your mistakes. You're not what's happened to you. All right. Hear me when I say this. Event, like failure it's an event. It's not final.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not final, right? It's just something that's happened in your life. You're not what that is. And the enemy's job is to make you feel that that's who you are because you're behind bars. But let me say this to you. Some of you are making more impact and making more noise and being behind bars than most people who are in the pulpit.
That's so true.
So keep doing what you're doing, man. And so, you know, if you want to get in contact, simple, just email us at info@williamwinfield.org. Again, that is info@williamwinfield.org. If you want to learn more about the speaking, you know, the coaching and things of that nature, just go to Will is Blessed, at Will is Blessed on Instagram. And of course, you know, if, you know, bookings or whatever, just go to williamwinfield.org. You know, my booking manager will take care of y'all. But, man, I just want to say to you, man, bro, like I'm proud of you, bro.
Thank you.
And don't you stop, man. Like this is different, man. When me and my boy walked in here, I'm like, yeah, you're going to change lives, bro.
Thank you. That means a lot to me, bro.
You know?
And I'm still learning how to say thank you.
Yeah.
Like when you say that to me, I want to be like, bro, this man, you know what I mean? Like I'm having to learn how to take compliments. You know what I mean? Because I've battled insecurity my whole life. That like whole, you know what I mean? That whole like what we were talking about before, that trying to pretend to be someone I'm not, or you know what I mean? That so thank you for saying that. Like,
absolutely.
I know that sounds kind of weird, but I'm just like for me to just be like, hey, thank you. Like I'm trying
but that's why you're gonna go far, Sean. Because you can admit your faults. You can admit where you're weak at. That's what God wants to use. You hear me, bro?
Yeah.
God's going to use that, bro. It's your humility. It's your authenticity that's going to give you the acceleration that you're looking for. And I don't know what you've been praying for. I don't know what you've been asking God to do in your life, bro. But keep one foot in front of the other. I don't care what's happening outside these walls, Sean. Stay committed. Keep your hand to the plow. And know that God is going to do great things. What you see here is not compared to what God's about to do in your life. And that's why God got to continue to strip these things from you, bro. Because he wants to accelerate you quicker because the enemy knows that his time is near. And he needs people like you to take those 7 years that you was behind bars, that changed your life, to go out here and make an impact to young kids, older men, older males. Impact people, bro.
Thank you.
You haven't seen nothing yet, bro.
Thank you, Will.
Absolutely.
That means a lot, bro. It really does.
Yeah.
So real quick, what's next? What's next for Will?
Man, yeah, I think what's next for me, man, is just honestly, I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission, bro, to get into these schools, man, more and more, and snatch these babies out of the pit of hell.
That's good. Do you ever have to like